Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to SONY Xperia VII. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Now download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Let's start by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. When you're finished, click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Sony. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. Following that, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up, and then to continue, choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's finally time to decide which connection way you want to use to connect. If you wish to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and hit Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close all ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!